about 4.2 million people are beneficiaries of various social protection mechanisms in Zambia, and that the national budget has actually allocated 4.8 billion kwacha towards social protection mechanisms, which is actually an increase from the 2.6 billion in 2020. So what is social protection? Social protection is a broad range of activities, policies, and programs that aim to protect, promote, as well as safeguard the livelihoods and welfare of the poorest and the most vulnerable in society. Social protection therefore plays a critical role in reducing poverty and vulnerability, and also in reducing inequalities, which speak into the second and the third pillar of the 7th National Development Plan. Government, through the Ministry of Community Development and Social Services, with support of other line ministries and cooperating partners, has been implementing various social protection programs across Zambia, with the largest being the social cash transfer. The social cash transfer is a component of a social protection mechanism which seeks to reduce the vulnerability of low-income households with regards to consumption and access to basic needs. The social cash transfer program was first piloted in Kalomo district in 2003, targeting 159 labor-constrained households that had been experiencing high levels of hunger due to drought and the high prevalence of HIV and AIDS. Government has since increased the number of beneficiaries from 159 to 994,000 beneficiaries across the country. Not only has government increased the number of beneficiaries, but it has also increased the budgetary allocation towards the social cash transfer, which is evident from 1.1 billion allocated in 2020 to 2.3 billion allocated in 2021. Equally, government has increased the transfer amount from 90 kwacha to 110 kwacha, which is paid by monthly, amounting to 220 kwacha. One thing that is important to note is that persons with disabilities receive twice the amount, which is 220 kwacha paid by monthly, amounting to 440 kwacha. An audit conducted by the Office of the Auditor General on the benefits of the social cash transfer in Gwembe district reported a positive impact of the program in improving the number of meals beneficiaries have per day. The audit also reported an increase in household assets among beneficiaries and had reported a notable increase in nutrition amongst children, access to education, health, and improved sanitation among beneficiary households. As a way of keeping children in school and in improving nutrition, government is implementing the homegrown school feeding program for school-going children in grades 1 to 7 through the Ministry of General Education, with about 1,250,000 beneficiaries. Other programs include the Food Security Pack, where government has increased the number of beneficiaries from 80,000 in 2020 to 288,492 in 2021. Government has also increased the budgetary allocation towards the Food Security Pack program from 122.2 million kwacha in 2020 to 1.1 billion kwacha in 2021. Other notable strides made by government include 90,202 persons supported under the floods and drought emergency cash transfers, 258,000 households supported under the COVID-19 emergency cash transfers. In order to safeguard the lives of persons in the informal sector, government has extended social security coverage, where 28,706 persons in the informal sector have been registered with NAPSA. Government has also adjusted the minimum wage for domestic workers upwards from 522 kwacha to 993 kwacha. Lastly, in order to ensure that retirees live a decent life after work, government has allocated 1 billion towards the Public Service Pension Fund.